My carpets are so thick, I can't push my vacuum in it. We hear this a lot at Riccar. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and this is the Riccar R27 cordless vacuum cleaner. This vacuum is great on thicker carpets. When I turn it on here and use it, it's gonna default to the low setting and it's gonna push through this just fine. But we can see the vacuum fail when I put it in high. You'll see a red light come on and jam, telling us that it's bogging down and shutting off. But you'll be able to see it work very effectively in the low setting. Now I'm gonna switch to high. Red light there indicates that it's jammed up. It's not able to push through this carpet. So I'm just gonna turn it off, turn it back on. It'll default to low again, and we'll be able to vacuum our thick carpets. One other thing you could do if you wanted to, there is a release right here also to even take more of that suction power away and allow it to push through even a thicker carpet. And that is to open this up and run it on low at the same time. So the Riccar R27 CV is a great vacuum for you to use when you're having a hard time pushing a vacuum through a thick carpet. Happy vacuuming.